upgrade your outdoor cooking space with a true outdoor kitchen centerpiece. Hey guys, Josh with All Things Barbecue here, and today we're taking a look at the easiest way to add a full outdoor kitchen to your back patio, the Stolls prefabricated 71-inch grill island. One of the best things about this island is how quickly it comes together. It arrives fully assembled. Just set it in place, adjust the leveling feet, drop in your grill head, and you can be cooking in under an hour, without the time or expense of a custom outdoor kitchen build. Stolls builds these islands out of aluminum with a durable powder-coated finish that is meant to live outdoors year-round. That means no rust issues, very little maintenance, and a clean, modern look. You've also got a generous prep surface here, 29 by 30 inches, and plenty of storage underneath. Soft close double doors keep everything organized, and the rollout below can hold either your propane tank or a trash bin. Another great feature of these grill islands is that they're finished on all four sides, so whether it's up against a wall or floating out on your patio, it looks great from all angles. And you can also choose from 5 color combinations of cabinet or countertop to match your space. This island comes standard with the Napoleon BI-32 grill head, built from 304 stainless steel and ready to cook for family or a backyard full of guests. The complete setup starts at $4,481, making it a great value for a premium outdoor kitchen. And if you want to take things even further, this same island can be upgraded with Napoleon's 700 series grills, including matte black, stainless with a rear infrared burner, or even a 32-inch flat-top griddle. If you want the quality of a premium outdoor kitchen without the hassle of a full custom build, this is a really smart option. Check it out online at atbbq.com or stop by our showroom at 818 West Douglas to see it for yourself. All Things Barbecue. Live outdoors.